Hello guys, I'm Vishal. I'm building the open source alternative to Perplexity and I'm excited to share it has been launched. The source code and the GitHub links are in the comments below or within the description. You can try it out yourself. And I'm just here to explore the app and showcase all the features. So let's get into it. First of all, you'll see the focus mode. You can search all the web, academics, YouTube, Reddit, Stack Overflow. We'll get into the writing mode in a bit, but let's just search all the web. Search for Dune 2. As you can see, it has given me the sources, some video recommendations. You'll see the answer. You'll see the citations it has given me, and you can ask even further questions. You can rewrite this answer, you can copy it, you can share it. But let's get into the sidebar. You'll see the chat history. You'll see the documents, the settings. Within the settings, you can actually change it from using GPT 3.5 Turbo to GPT 4 Turbo. You can change the other custom settings, and you can even set up custom prompts like use emoji. Now let's try the writing mode. So what's the writing mode supposed to do is it won't search the web to answer your questions. So you can just use it like your average chat GPT. So hey, and there is it. What is the capital of Tripura? That is it. So you can actually share this chat. That is the fun part. Whenever you share this chat, you'll actually get a beautiful OG image generated. So you can share it in social medias or in Discords or Twitter, in all of these platforms. Just copy this link. Let's open Twitter. Let's share this link. Just go into my profile. Wait for it, and you'll see the OG image generated. You can actually paste it in meta tags right here to check. And you can see it has been generated for all the platforms. You can check it for Twitter, you can check it for Facebook, LinkedIn, Pinterest, and all these other platforms. This gives much more rich experiences because you can see what this chat is about, which date it was created, the time it will take to read, and all the other information. So that is the sharing mode. But what about you can use it in mobile or not? So let's open up the simulator, share the same link. So you will see that I'm not signed in as the same user. So it is giving me the option to fork this thread. So I can actually continue using this thread. And yeah, now I can actually write much more information within it. Like, how are you? And you see this won't affect my original conversation. It is entirely mobile friendly with all the features and everything. And you can actually add it to your home screen for much better experiences and quick access. So what are my long-term thoughts about it, and what is the roadmap that I'm thinking around it? Currently, I'm only using OpenAI APIs, but I plan to incorporate other LLMs also, including Mistral, Claude, and even a Llama. Another thing would be like to use function calling. Right now, I have to specify when to use the chat mode and when to search. This can be actually reduced by using function calling. So when you actually need to search, it can automatically decide like for this information, I have to search the web, and for this, I can just use the current context. So that is another thing. Now, another feature that I have in plan is the plugins actually. So what are plugins? So let me show you what Google does nowadays. When you ask Google for the share price, it will actually give you a beautiful chart with all this information, where you can see the chart data and all the rest of the information. Even for smaller calculations, you will see a calculator appear, And same thing for just shopping experiences. I actually want to develop an entire plugin ecosystem where open source developers and all the contributors can actually build their own plugins on top of this platform. So whenever you need to add much more experiences or plugins for search or for other features, you can actually add that also. So these are all my long-term thoughts, and that's it actually. Uh, it's entirely open source and you can try it out today. So thanks.